Okay, good morning guys.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
I hope you like our new kitchen. We've been remodeling and I think it's good. But best of all is you're with us. And today we decided to visit an old traditional dish. We all love macaroni and cheese, pasta dishes. Why not potato bake?
Yes, so in the morning I was craving potato bake and I wanted some other people's opinions. So I went on YouTube and I searched it and oh my gosh.
It wasn't good. So
one person even put sardines in this.
Oh.
This is not a fish dish.
Okay, let's tell them how easy
That's
and
why
simple.
we decided to make this video, because people just need the delicious, easy, simple, classic way to make the most delicious potato bake.
And it's so simple guys, and you're gonna love it. Let's start off with some butter or margarine. And you can use your butter or margarine, and if you don't have, you can still do it without. Alright, butter or margarine to line your baking dish. Then you can use your fingers to spread it, that's fine. Or, what? No. Or, I don't want to use my fingers today, but if Curl wants to. This will give it a more...
So is it just the outsides?
Well, I'd like to go in if you'd like.
Oh, you want me to?
Yes, with your fingers. That's it. Just all around. Okay? That's enough. I'll give you a paper towel.
We'll show you guys how this looks.
You can put as much or as little, no big deal. Simple.
Yep. Is that my fingers?
Put your fingers.
What's the next step?
So easy, you can do it with your eyes closed. Throw in the potatoes, throw in a bit of bacon, and if you like vegetables, you can put in corn or peas.
No, I'm sorry.
Okay.
You're a health freak. Get off this video.
And then a bit of cheese. Traditionally, plastic cheese is the way to go. But when we became more influenced by the European flavors and Mediterranean, we thought we could add mozzarella, we could add parmesan, or if you're like us, what do we do, Crystal?
We add them all.
We add them all. You back?
Almost.
So, what can we tell you? The recipes we saw online were quite shocking actually, and nothing looked appealing.
Yeah.
And I thought, wow, what a simple dish, and nobody can get it right. We're going to show you how.
We've been doing it for years.
You can do it with macaroni, of course.
Pasta.
Alright. Traditionally, we lay these overlapping in a nice pattern. But if you're in a hurry, you can just pour it all in.
Yeah.
Come on, Cool.
Can I do it a nice pattern?
Do a nice pattern today. Overlap.
Do we overlap? Yeah, we overlap.
Keep overlapping.
Especially during this cold weather, this will be like delicious. Such comfort food.
It's great for the soul. Can you put one in the middle, and then we can add a bit of... Alright guys. Now you can add a little
So this is the first
layer.
layer.
See if you can see.
First layer. And then we're going to add in some of the bacon.
Yeah, just scatter.
Just scatter
Beautiful.
it. Okay.
Yeah, you can add a bit of cheese. If you open your hand, I'll scatter. Would you like a bit of
Mozzarella.
yes?
Okay, that's it. This is going to be delicious.
It is.
I've been waiting all day.
A little bit of
Parmesan.
parmesan. Oops, too much.
Ooh.
Okay. You must put black pepper. Some people like to put nutmeg. That goes well too. So that's black pepper. If you can see that. I hope so. black pepper. Always grind your own, it's always nicer.
Yeah.
Now you can add chicken stock. Would you like some chicken stock powder?
Let's add a little bit.
Bit of chicken stock powder. We have our favourite brands. This is one of them.
That's the chicken stock ticket.
Chicken stock. Okay.
Guys, none of us can see if this is focusing.
We're hoping it is.
Yeah.
Would you like to put some chicken stock powder?
So I'll use my clean hands.
Now this has a salt content, so if you put this one, you can put less salt, right?
Alright, and then now, do we just do it again?
You can
or
do it
we
again.
add the cream?
You can add the cream now, or a combination of cream and milk, but more cream. Okay? Or you can just do another layer.
Let me show you how this is looking so far.
Simple.
Yep.
But when it comes out from the oven, it's going to be a lot more than simple. It's going to be amazing. Another layer of
Alright,
this.
so we're going to go with another layer of the potatoes. Yeah, I can already smell all the delicious aromas. This is comfort food to the max. We're in the month of May.
Yep, second day of May, month of Our Lady.
Month of Mary.
Alright. Now, the chicken stock helps and a bit of Italian herbs.
Italian herbs is our best friend.
It
I'll
is.
let you open that with clean hands. In the meantime, I'm going to add some bacon.
Well, let me just pour some.
Okay.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Now, this got no chili in it, so you're...
Don't be afraid, just use.
Yeah, don't be afraid. You can put as much as you like. And if you don't have bacon, you have ham. Ham works as well too.
Yep. Now some cheeses.
Here we go again with our tasty, traditional tasty.
Sprinkle it.
A bit more.
More? That's it.
Okay. Now we never put our hands inside the bag with the cheese with our hands, even clean hands. You have no idea how much micro germs there are. You don't want to introduce them to the cheese. You'll spoil the cheese.
That's it.
That was mozzarella.
Now a little bit of
A
parmesan.
little bit, because Parmesan is a strong tasting cheese. We don't need much.
I love it though. Alright, that's it.
And again with our
Pepper.
black pepper. Freshly ground black pepper makes a big difference. What else would you like? A bit of chicken salt?
Chicken stock.
Chicken stock powder. Just have to show you. This is a good brand. So is Vegeta. Vegeta and Continental. And Maggie are our favourite partners in this. Alright. You can do one more layer, Crystal.
Yep.
Basically all you need is a few ingredients, lots of love.
Yeah.
Makes a winning dish.
So, apart from this dish that we're going to do, Mum and I, we're going to grill some chicken tenders.
Oh, why don't we lightly stir fry it?
Okay,
Sure.
no, I just want my mushroom sauce, so
Oh no,
whatever you want.
You want mushroom sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm just thinking because we have chicken breast.
Yeah.
I like it more shallow fried. I like a bit of.
But I like it to be soft.
We know what to do with the chicken
Put the lid
breast.
on.
First of all, with chicken breast, place it inside a plastic bag, and then
Hammer it.
hammer it. That's gonna actually give us a sure good result. Wow, that's beautiful, Crystal. Let's start with that one. Can you press it down, please, for me? Can you press it down? As down as you can.
Put some bacon.
Yep, put some bacon. Bacon's gonna make a big difference to the dish.
It's gonna give that flavour. You didn't know we needed.
You know, I really love peas and corn with this dish, but that's okay. Or you
No,
can have.
in replacement, we're gonna steam some broccoli on
That's
the
a good
side.
idea, and asparagus would be good.
Yes. And
That's
we
good.
start out the chicken and this potato bacon.
Okay. We're using thickened cream.
Do we put more cheese?
let's do this one.
Alright.
You can use any cream you like, or as I said, you can make in a white sauce with cheese and pour that on top.
I like cream more, it's more thick, it gives
Yes.
it more.
Absolutely. Let's go.
I'll let you go.
Oh, me. Put as much or as little as you like. It's a bit thick, so we might add some milk. Might.
Can we add some hot water or no?
Well, we want something that's a bit rich. Excuse me. Alright. Now, if you want to add cheese, what you do is...
We pull it out beforehand.
Yes. When it's all cooked, pull it out, put your cheese, and then put it back in there for a few minutes to give it that golden melted look, okay?
Okay. Yum.
As usual, we've overloaded it, but it'll be fine. This will sink right in. Okay, Crystal, you can do your dance now.
So funny.
Okay, guys. I see the cream hasn't gone all the way through, so we're giving it a little hacking. Oh, wow. That's gone right down. I don't know if you can see that. I'd like to give it a bit more cream.
Ooh.
And then go to confession later on.
It's not funny.
We live and receive.
What is she on?
Oh, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. All right.
So how long in the oven?
Well, the dish has been pre-warmed, preheated.
The dish?
The oven, sorry.
Oh.
Okay. So I'd like it at 150 or 160 degrees for about an hour.
Oh.
All right. Can you wait that long?
No.
Oh, you don't have to.
Yeah, I can.
We'll make some side dishes along the way. So.
Yeah.
All right. In we go. Yeah. Putting it at 150 degrees, then let's cook without burning. Alright guys? Hey guys, where have you been? We've been busy without you. I'm frying again more onions and green leaves from the garden. As you can see, this is one of our favourite. The oldies love this.
Yep.
And young ones, they like something else. Oh, look what we made here. We made Portuguese chicken with some steamed veggies. These are amazing.
You would have seen these on our Instagram story.
And here in the oven, I'm about to turn the oven off because I think it's ready.
Oh, it's bubbling.
Let's have a look. Ah, it's beautifully done. This is our pasta bake, potato bake. Brown colour. So we're going to add a bit more cheese. That's going to melt and it's going to... you can almost taste this. This is beautiful. This can be your side dish or it can be your main meal. We'll share it with you soon. Oh wow, come have a look.
Oh, it smells delicious.
It does smell delicious. Oh, perfect colour. This is so well worth the effort.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what a beauty. Wow, wow, wow. I don't need a special day for this. Wow. Let's get a scoop.
I can't wait to try this.
Alright guys, it's only layers of potato.
And bacon and seasoning.
Seasoning and cream.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. This is great stuff. As Uncle Jack would say, this will put hairs on your chest.
Never gets old.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
I can just see some asparagus on the side. Oh, we've got some broccoli.
Yep.
We'll do some broccoli, I think. And we
Oh,
can't
wow.
taste it just as yet, but we need to cool it down. Let me get some broccoli. Oh, wow. What do you think, guys? Woohoo! A winner.
Let's cool that a bit and then we'll try it. So good, Mum. Thanks.
Anybody seen my curl?
This is all for me.
What are you eating, Crystal?
It's delicious.
Delicious? Something worth sharing, eh? Don't keep it to yourself. Wow, I've been so busy in my kitchen.
Happy birthday, Shabo.
Happy birthday, Sharbil. That's my nephew. Cheers, guys. He's the best fella there. Hey, guys. She's going for seconds. Got you.
Guys, it's that delicious.
So it was a good decision not to cook it in white sauce. Just use cream.
Yeah, you don't need milk. Just use cream.
And all the different flavors were put in.
Oh my gosh, they definitely made a difference.
And the cheeses. Woo!
Yum. Oh, yum.
Alright guys, now you've seen it.
Guys, this is the true potato bake recipe.
Don't waste your time trying other people's recipes. Stick to this one.
Yep.
You won't go wrong. Just give it love and patience. The longer it stays in the oven cooking, the better it cooks really well. If you are in a hurry though, you know what I suggest you do?
What?
Parboil the potatoes first by maybe putting them in the microwave or boiling them slowly.
On the stove.
But not fully cooked, right? Because you still need them sliced and...
She's talking too much. I need to eat.
Alright guys, we'll give you another alternative recipe next time. Stay tuned though guys. Take care of yourselves and enjoy yourselves. Enjoy your company, enjoy your families.
From Kel.
And Curly. See you later.
You reckon they can see us?
I took my glasses off.